The Hinyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization, HITO, Mau Shinrut Circle, along with village leaders of Maukhar, conducted an inspection of the under-construction road at Maukhar village under Mau Shinrut Civil Subdivision yesterday. During the inspection, HITO Mau Shinrut Circle President Shri Personal Marthong raised concerns about the quality of the road construction. HITO has requested the PWD department to take immediate action to address these concerns.
Tangkat tu kan nebrai sekala bangkran. Naling jung ngira kerja, bang naling jung rekat bekas nong, ni ong wiana suruh ke bamanta, ini komplain, hadu ke office jung ke PWD, ban in persengit suan itu trek.